Hi guys, I hope so my voice is audible and clear. So if so, please let me know in the chat box. So I think so like we will be able to chat in the, like I can just get the chat messages. Okay. So please post your reply in the comment section. Okay, am I audible and clear? Okay, super. That's great. Okay, so I hope so my screen is also visible. My screen is visible. Okay, my screen is not yet visible. Okay, don't worry. So guys, sorry for the delay. So there is something like which we were not able to establish. Okay, so now I think so the voice and the video, the screen is also visible. Okay, nothing to worry, nothing to worry. Just give a moment. Just give a moment. It will be there. Okay, superb, superb, superb. How many of you are option buyers? Come on, guys, type your answers in chat box. How many of you are option buyers? Okay, so don't worry. Hereafter, you'll be able to get me right because I'm quite new to this particular live streaming. Live streaming in the sense this software. So it just I just got stuck for a while. Okay, so now I think so now I'm more comfortable. So pretty good. Like most of you guys would be an option buyer. Okay, so today I'm just going to walk through the art of option buying. So this is one of the very important session. Like wherever I go, I used to discuss with the people. So okay, so I can see like many option buyers. Happy to see that. See, like let's talk is going to be my presentation today. So why is option buying difficult? Okay, so you can just mention few reasons in the chat box. So we have near to 150 plus members. So now this is going to be something very important question. So why it is very difficult to make money in option buying? So what is your perspective of thinking? Okay, so this could be the reason. This could be the reason. Like everyone will have some sort of assumption, right? So you can just let me know so that I can just get the detail from the chat box over here. Okay, let me just wait for the reply. Maybe like there will be a 15 seconds of delay. Please bear with me. By end of this today's session, you guys will be getting a lots and lots of insights. Okay, so why to do option buying and why algorithmic trading is more important whenever it comes to option buying. Okay, so greed, very quick moment, and anything apart. Okay, I'm an option buyer. Superb. Okay, so like whenever I used to say, right, so people used to say like, I'm an option buyer, very quick money, super. Okay, so let me just tell you one thing. Like here, I'm just going to share this strategy today in this webinar. Okay, so you can just see this particular strategy was able to make money of 1 lakh rupees. Can you guess with how many lots I would have been able to do this from the year January 2023? With how many lots I would have been able to do this? 1 lakh rupees. Less capital, premium is cheap, buying without a strategy. Okay, so it's going to be like just two lots. Okay, I'm just going to make just two lots. I was able to make 1 lakh rupees. Okay, so this looks very, very interesting, right? Everyone agree, right? How many of you want to know what's the strategy behind it? Come on, guys, type your answers in the chat box. How many of you want to know the strategy behind it? Come on, type your answers in the chat box. Okay, I want to know. Okay, so now I just showed you the strategy. This is the strategy entry and this is the strategy exit. Okay, now I've shown you the strategy. If you would have known the strategy a year before or 2 years before, okay, will you be profitable with this strategy? Will you be profitable with this strategy? Come on, guys. Everyone would be profitable, right? But I say, no, it's not possible actually. No, it's not possible actually. You know why? Because the first reason, 6 trades, okay, out of 139 trades, only 6 trades were responsible for the entire profit. Were responsible for the entire profit. You can see here, the strategy gave money of 20,000, 19,000, 11,000, 17,000, 20,000, and 19,000 over here. So if you add all these, you will be getting more than 1 lakh rupee. So what it clearly denotes over here? What it clearly denotes over here? Just 6 trades make the entire profit. And what about the remaining 139 trades? They just cancel each other. They just cancel each other. Okay. So now let me just go ahead and then see the losses as well, because maybe like people say, you show only the profit, not the losses. Okay, so now you can see here, like the strategy was able to give 6,000, 6,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 4,000. So these losses were the highest losses, not the lowest one, the highest losses. Okay, the highest profit against the highest loss. Okay, so now first, the entry and the exit. Okay, these are the 3 important key points what you need to know if you want to become an option buyer. If you want to become an option buyer, the first one is the entry and the exits. Now let me just ask you something. It's going to be very simple. It's going to be very, very, very simple. I'm just going to take an entry whenever the candle close is above the super trend, and whenever the candle close is below the super trend, I'm going to exit the trade setup. Okay, whenever the candle close is above the super trend and whenever it is below the super trend, I'm going to exit the trade setup. This is my entry and this is my exit. Let me just ask you, how many of you will be able to follow this strategy for more than a month time? How many of you will be able to follow this strategy for more than a month? The simple strategy, a super trend strategy. How many of you will be able to regularly follow it? It's not possible, right? Because most of us who've been office goers, as an office goer, it's literally not possible for us to take the proper entry and the proper exits. Even though if it is a single day, with this one simple indicator, if it is not possible for you to make money, then how it is possible for you to do for the past 2 years, checking whether the current candle close above the Bollinger Band, RSI is above 70, current candle close above the super trend, CC is above 125, time of the day is above 921, and current candle closes above the level of R1, and current candle closes above the level of current candle close is above the current candle open. Is it possible to do it? Is it possible to do it every 3 minutes for the past 2 years? You need to take the entry and the exits in a proper note. Then only you will be get the 6 trades in a proper one. If you would have missed the 6 trades, obviously you would have never been in profit. Obviously, you would have never been in the profit. Okay, so now it's very clear the entry and the exits play the very, very important role. As an office goer, just imagine, As office goer, just imagine, will you be able to take the entry during your morning tea break, afternoon lunch break, and the evening tea break? No, right? It's very hard, right? So that is what you need to understand. And that is what you need to understand. The proper entry and the exits is the thing what you need to understand. Okay, so then comes the very important part. Okay, so now let me just show you the window where you can create these strategies. Okay, so here is where the magic happens actually. Okay, so this is the Quantman platform, so you can just log in very easily with your 5paisa account. Okay, so you can just click on login and then you'll be able to log into the 5paisa account. Okay, so it will be quite easy for you to log in. Okay, the regular method how you guys follow. Okay, so now I'm just going to backtest something. Okay, so I hope so, like most of the indicators what I'm going to speak, you guys should be knowing it. I'm selecting Bank Nifty future and options chart I'm using, and then you can see the current candle over here, which is a 3 minutes time frame. If you want to edit and change the time frame to any time frame whatever you want, you can use it. Okay, and then comes the super trend. Okay, so this is a very common indicator, another very common indicator. And then I'm going to do with Bollinger Band. Okay, it's a 10,2 Bollinger Band. See, so 20,2. Everything is default value. I'm not changing anything. And relative strength index, nothing but RSI. Okay, and then let me add pivot point. Okay, and what else? Okay, I think so. This is far enough for me. Okay, so now I'm going to give a condition. So stating that when is going to be my entry. My entry is going to be whenever the candle close is above the super trend, I'm going to take my entry. And along with this, I want my candle close is above the upper Bollinger Band. And then I can say current candle close is above the level of R1, the pivot R1. And then the relative strength index. Relative strength index is above 70. Simple. And I want my entry to be say like time of the day is above 9:21. I want to take my trades only after 9:20. I don't want to enter into the first 6 minutes of volatile market. And then I save it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to buy a ATM call option for one lot. That's it, nothing more. Nothing more. Let me just do the backtesting from the year 2019. Okay, so let me just run it. One lot. Okay, maybe like I can put 3 lots a day. 3 lots in sense 3 trades a day, not 3 lots, 3 trades a day if this condition satisfies. Okay, but I'm not given the exit signal as of now. Let me just give the exit signal. Very simple exit signal. Current candle close is below the super trend. It's going to be my exit. Okay, so now I just submit over here. So let me wait for the results to get popped up. Okay, so now this strategy was able to give a pretty good money for just one lot, 3,70,000 rupees of profit. ₹3,70,000 of profit. Okay, this is a basic strategy. Whatever I showed right now. Whatever I have showed right now. Okay, so now you guys are interested to see the strategy which generated 1 lakh rupee of revenue in the last 2 lots. With the 2 lots, right? Hope everyone is interested to look into it. Okay, so now let me just show that strategy. Oh, sorry. See, this is a live strategy. It is not something like paper trade what I did. Okay, this is a live strategy, not a paper trade, because you can see here you can see the entry of the order as well as the exit order of order and when the broker placed as well. Okay, all the details has been over here. Okay, so from when I have done this strategy, from 20 Jan 2023. Now what's the date? 23 September. There was a lost entry. How much it was able to make? 1,15,000 rupees of profit. 1,15,000 rupees of profit it was able to make it. Okay, it's good, right? For just two lots. For just two lots, come on guys, you can just let me know whether it's a good returns or not. Come on, type your answers in the chat box. Waiting for a reply, guys. Definitely it's something good. Okay. Okay, so now you guys would have understood that strategy. I showed you the strategy, how to create it as well. So now how to deploy it. See, deploying the strategy in Quantman is going to be very, very simple. Okay, how did you say this is very simple? Okay, first click deploy strategy in live. First click. Second click auto trading. The second click. And then the third one is going to be deploy strategy in live. Just 3 clicks. Now it's done. Now it's done. Okay, now it's done. Okay, now this trade is automated and it will take trade from the next trading day onwards. Okay, so if you want to stop it, you can just stop it and no need to restart it every day. Once you started it, it will run until you stop it. Until you stop it. Okay. And along with this, now I showed you the deployment, how to create a strategy, how to backtest it. Everything is totally fine. But now I'm just going to tell you the hardest part. Okay, the hardest part which no one says you. Okay, let me just go to the year of 2023, July. Okay, this is July 17th. You can see a cumulative profit on July 17th. Okay, see now you guys need to be very honest. Okay, you need to reply in a very honest way. So July 17th, I made a profit of 55,000 rupees cumulatively. Okay, from that time onwards, it went to say like 48,000. And once again, it went to 46,000. You can see a 46,000. And went drastically to 39,000. And once again, it made money over here to 64,000 on December 4th, which means that from July 17th, you can see like July 17th, August, right? Okay, so July 17th, August, September, October, November, December. 5 months, no profit was there. 5 months, there was no profit in this strategy. Okay, how many of you will still follow this strategy? How many of you will still follow this strategy? Come on, guys. Okay, if the money is available, then again. Okay, 1 month loss is fine. Okay, now I'm just going to take it further. See, from 64,000, once again it came to 55,000, and 55,000 once again it came to 51,000, then once again to 63,000, and 63,000 it came all the way to 63,000 once again during the month of March 2020, 2025, sorry 2024, and once again went to 57,000, and once again came to 64,000. And 64,000. Okay, let me just put it on this way. So till April 4. So till April 4, it had the same 56,000. Earlier it was 55. Now it is 56,000. Now let me just count the months. July, let me leave it July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April. So another 9 months, it has not made money. Okay, you can put one lot and leave it like fixed deposit. Okay, fine. So now 9 months, no profit. And from there onwards, it went to 62 and 64 and 64 to 83 in just one day on 29th of April. And 83, it went directly to 92. And 92, it went to the level of 102. It went to the level of 102. And from 102, once again came to 96. And 96 to 102 and 106, 113, 115, 112, and 115 once again. This is the journey of option buying. This is a journey of option buying. This is how you'll be able to make profit of with just 2 lots, a lakh rupee. This is the hardest truth no one will say to you. This is option buying. And just imagine if you miss out the 6 traits what I have communicated earlier. The 6 traits. Just imagine if you miss out the 6 traits, will you be profitable? So the entry and the exit should be very, very, very proper. If you miss the entry and exits, then damn sure you will be not able to make money over here. You will not make money over here. Please, please, please understand it. Okay, please understand it. Okay, so now we have discussed about the drawdown duration. Okay, so now people will ask me like how much loss I can keep. I will tell you very clearly. See, you can keep a loss which is a bearable loss, with which you can sleep very good in the night. Okay, see, if you are capable of losing say 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees, then lose only that particular money. Then lose only that particular money. If you're losing something quite high, right, then you will not follow the system in a proper note. Okay, so why I say this? Okay, see, whenever you are losing something quite big than you afford it, you start searching for the better one. Then you will not follow the system properly. Okay, what you will do if you make loss one day, you go to YouTube and search for best option buying strategy. Like once you make loss, you go and search for the best option buying strategy in 2024. Then if you make loss on that as well, then you go and search for what else? 100% winning option buying strategy. There is nothing like that. Even I have only 30% of winning strategy, winning profits. Okay, so there is nothing like which exhibits like 90% of winning. Okay. Okay, fine. So now you guys would have understood it very clearly that option buying is still possible, but you need to do it in a proper note. You need to do it in a proper note. Okay. So here, like you can just see the strategy, like the same strategy, what I showed earlier. Okay, those who want, you can just take a screenshot of it so that you can just try to recreate these things using Quantman and try to understand what's the risk involved in it. Because sitting in drawdown for 9 months, not making any money, you will definitely leave your hope from 55,000 to 110 in no matter of time. Okay, but the drawdown duration is very, very, very big. You need to wait for a very long time to make money in the market. Okay, so but say like it is not possible that like no one can say like it is not possible to make money. So like it's possible to make money if you follow it in a very proper note. Let me just put it another way. See, you see someone in YouTube and you got inspired and you start doing and you start like getting to know more about him through YouTube, and you start following his system as well. But he will be making money and you will be not able to make money. He will be making money and you will be not able to make money. Why this happens so? Because you were not able to place your orders properly. He is able to follow his system in a proper note. These are the very important things what you need to understand whenever it comes to trading. Okay, and this is where Quantman helps you a lot in creating strategies and automating the trade setup. Okay, so this is all about like what I want to communicate in today's session. So if you have any questions, you can just post it in the YouTube comment section so that I'll be happy to answer about it. So there'll be a 15 seconds of delay, like once I spoke. See, now you guys have understood, right? How hard is option buying? And you would have understood the reason why you lose as well. See, automation of the trade gives you an excellent hedge. See, like all the 5paisa users, like you can just directly come over here and you can just get logged in yourself. Okay, so like there are two plans like what you can buy. Like there'll be a basic plan where you can deploy 4 strategies, and there is a premium plan where you can deploy like 10 near to 10 strategies. So with the 10 lakh rupees of capital, 4 strategies are far enough to do it with. See, if you are able to do it manually, the strategy whatever showed, then you can definitely do with it. You can definitely do with it. Okay, so if you are not able to process it manually, then you can use Quantman to process it. Then you can take Quantman help to process it. See, any strategy you can automate with Quantman, because in Quantman there are near to 80 plus indicators. There are 80 plus indicators over here. What will be the fund required? See, like whenever it comes to the fund part, right? How to calculate the fund? Okay, how to calculate the fund? I'll just show you, don't worry. So we have done the back testing, right, of a strategy. Wait, just give me a moment. Let me just copy and edit. And back test it 2024 till date. September 24, I'm just going to back test it. I'll put only one lot, not 2 lots. One lot and submit it. Okay, so always we need to calculate the fund using the drawdown. Okay, what's the drawdown here? 8,600 rupees. So how to do the calculation? 8,600 into 2 plus the margin required is 6,000 rupees, because 400 into one lot, 400 into 15 is going to be 6,000 rupees. Sorry. 17,200 plus 6,000. Hardly it takes 25,000 for putting one lot. See, you should have the entire capital in your trading account to put one lot. Don't just like that put only, what is this? Don't just like that put only, say like 6,000 rupees and take one lot. Have this 25,000 rupees in your trading account to take this one lot. Okay. Yeah, I can just show you the strategy. You can just take a screenshot of it and try to recreate it using Quantman. You can try to recreate it. Yeah, you can just do the strategy in the reverse to take on the put option strategies. This is for long call. You can do for short put, long put as well. So like, are the charges added in the profit? No, so like the charges are not added in the profit. Let me just show you. See, don't get bothered about the option, the taxes and the brokerage over here, because it has taken in the last 2 years only 155 trades. Okay, so 155 trades divided by say like 22 months, it's going to be near to 7 trades a month. So if you're just taking 7 trades a month, brokerage is nothing, right? Okay, so nothing to worry on that aspect as well. Okay, I think so. There is no more questions. So there is no more questions, I think so. So you can just end for the day. Thank you all the users who are joined from 5 paise. It's really happy to be with 5 paise, and hope you guys enjoyed about option buying and how Quantman is going to help you guys in terms of making the orders placement for option buying. Thank you. Then it's really signing off. Bye bye.